All right, so we're going to just quickly cover an introduction to the Lab 6 for week 6, which is going to be due next week, Friday at 11:59 p.m. And if you go to the assignments and tests and then the labs folder right here, it'll just be found in there. All right, so if we go into labs and we look at week 6 lab, we can see it's asking just to submit the URL that we're working on today with our PWA with shortcuts, notifications, and badges all working. All right. So obviously I know I'll test it and uninstall the service workers and everything to make sure that the notifications and stuff are working. But this will just show, that the last 3 weeks of us covering PWAs, you've gotten that working on your own. And remember, they've got to be hosted on a live server for me to test this. So either your own domain or GitHub pages with HTTPS, just so that I can also test it on my mobile device with the actions and stuff, because the notifications are a lot more solid on mobile when you're doing that versus the desktop notifications I've had some issues with. So you just submit your HTTPS secure link there to the URL with your PWA on it. It can just be literally the hello world example. Please make sure this is all your code and you're not copying it from anybody else or anything. And you can just submit it there. So everything we did in class today, basically just submit me a link to a live server version of it. Cool. Any questions?